There's been a lot of buzz lately about cryptocurrencies. A few say it's even in a bubble. Some may even have found the title funny and unreal. Nevertheless, if the video is negligible and a harmless matter, why are secret governments banning it? On top of that, they're planning to launch their own digital currencies. What's funny is that cryptocurrency is still in its infancy. Goo goo gaga. But what's going to happen in this field? Let's figure this out in the video. Welcome back to the Pi Network channel. Join us as we explore, investigate, and predict the future of banking systems and cryptos. And also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more details about the world of cryptos. The digital economy is seeing new players enter to provide services related to money. Despite the fact that information and communication have been evolving for decades, the past decade has seen some truly large-scale changes. The COVID-19 pandemic may have accelerated digital change even more. Payment services, which are the foundation of economic activity, are the first point of entry into finance. Digital disruptors find payments attractive because they require relatively little capital, and the information they generate is highly valuable for cross-selling. The fact that digital innovation has blossomed in payments is no surprise, with fintech startups, big techs, and incumbents all developing new digital payment offerings. Even so, no one is forced to follow the current monetary system. There have been many attempts to innovate in fields that are less traditional, in addition to improving existing systems. Digital currencies, for example, can transcend both traditional account-based money and physical money. I don't believe that either bank accounts or cash can fully replace each other, but let's discuss how a further digitization of money could look. If societies want digital money, the first step is going to be deciding what operational architecture to use. Can the integrity and finality of the payment system be ensured by a trusted central authority, such as the central bank? Or could it be based on a decentralized governance system, where payment validity is determined by what counts as valid among network participants? This is the concept behind Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto's protocol envisions a decentralized consensus with no need for a central intermediary. However, in practice, it's pretty clear that Bitcoin is more of a speculative asset than a currency. The Bitcoin network is perhaps best compared to a community of online gamers who exchange real money for items that only exist in the virtual world. Bitcoin poses as a unit all of its own account, but fluctuations in value mean it's very unrealistic to set prices in Bitcoin. Additionally, this makes it a very poor store of value, as well as a poor means of exchange. The structure of the Bitcoin market is decidedly concentrated and opaque, and there's research evidence of price manipulation as well. But there are options. They really could be the next coins that destroy the fiat currencies and banks from the roots. So let's take a look at these one by one. Number 1. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is not the same as Bitcoin. It's a standalone cryptocurrency, created as a branch of the original in 2017. It operates under its own rules and it uses its own blockchain. The intended use of Bitcoin Cash is a usable electronic currency. It can be spent just like any other normal currency in some locations, but fees are much lowered and transaction speeds are much faster. According to the Bitcoin Cash website, it is the most secure and widely used digital currency on the planet, which allows for 2 million transactions a daily. Litecoin. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that's based again on the ever-popular Bitcoin. The difference is that the transfers are much faster and cheaper, and there are also 84 million coins in circulation, which is 4 times that of Bitcoin. The factors affecting Litecoin's values are fairly similar for those of Bitcoin. Some people may claim that Litecoin has many benefits as a payment solution. Number 3. Starbucks Stars. Yeah, this one's a little different. So, you can earn Starbucks Stars when you buy qualifying products from any Starbucks, worldwide. All you need is a Starbucks card or the app. Stars can be redeemed against Starbucks purchases, the aim of this credit system being to encourage purchases from the retailer. The Starbucks currency has become so popular that more than 30% of purchases at the Starbucks outlets are made using the app. After a sales and share price slump in mid-2018, Starbucks revamped its reward system, and it started to focus more on what its customers want. Number 4. XRP. XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It is the native digital asset on the XRP ledger, an open-source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. XRP can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a very convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies very quickly and very efficiently. Faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset, XRP and the XRP ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for XRP and transform global payments. Third parties are also pursuing other XRP-related use cases. Number 5. Solana. Solana payment allows merchants to accept instant international payments for their goods and services. Solana is a high-speed, open-source blockchain designed to create decentralized applications. Thanks to the innovative proof-of-history consensus mechanism, the Solana platform is able to process more than 50,000 transactions per second without compromising security. In addition to the lightning-fast transaction processing speed, Solana offers some of the lowest fees too. These factors play into the hands of the project, and at the moment, Solana has attracted the attention of many organizations that accept SOL as payment. Number 6. VeChain. VeChain payment is an additional method of selling goods or services presented on the website in exchange for the VET cryptocurrency. VeChain is a business-oriented supply chain platform that also allows users to work with smart contracts. Since its inception, VeChain has managed to obtain an impressive list of enterprises who create applications on top of the VeChain Thor blockchain. VeChain operates on the basis of an innovative proof-of-authority consensus mechanism that provides a high level of security and speed. Number 7. Stellar. Similar to Ripple, Stellar offers a distributed payments network designed to provide fast and cheap cross-border payments. By connecting banks, payment systems, and people, and through the use of its Lumens currency, Stellar allows international payments that can be processed within 2 to 5 seconds, with fees of 1/600,000th of a cent per transaction. There are also other features on the Stellar network as well, including an ICO platform and a decentralized exchange. Number 8. Streamy. Streamy is a Sol-based blockchain leveraging middleware and payment infrastructure provider. It has developed a real-time cross-border value transfer pathfinder of the Internet of Money, connecting disconnected financial networks and streamlining the Internet of Money. It raised $2 million seed funding in 2015. Number 9. OmiseGo. With a mission to unbank the banked, OmiseGo offers a peer-to-peer platform where users can quickly and securely exchange fiat and cryptocurrencies. Built on Ethereum, OmiseGo is developing a currency-agnostic decentralized exchange network capable of interacting with blockchains, e.g. Bitcoin or Litecoin, through clearinghouses and state channels or smart contracts, as well as digital fiat platforms through the use of collateralized fiat tokens. OmiseGo offers an e-wallet software development kit which is free to use and allows digital wallet providers to connect to the public OMG network so that their users can transact any digital assets. The end goal is to overcome coordination difficulties amongst payment processors and also gateways and financial institutions, providing a value of transfer service that operates across currencies, asset types, and national borders. Although OmiseGo is focused on the Southeast Asian market, its network is designed to allow just about anyone to conduct real-time, peer-to-peer financial transactions, including everything from payments to remittances to B2B commerce and supply chain finance. Number 10. Nano. Unlike Ripple and its focus on banks and major financial institutions, Nano, N-A-N-O, is designed purely as a peer-to-peer digital currency. Originally known as Ryblox, Nano offers instant, zero-fee transactions and is designed to be infinitely scalable. Launched in 2017, this innovative cryptocurrency combines blockchain with directed acyclic graph technology, or DAG, in a unique block lattice infrastructure. DAG systems see individual technology directly linked to one another, offering improved scalability compared to blockchain-based systems. In short, Nano is a payment currency and nothing more. It aims at becoming a viable alternative to fiat currency for everyday transactions, offering fast and cheap peer-to-peer payments all over the world. And these are the 10 coins that can destroy the entire whole banking system as we know it today. Yeah, we accept that there's a long way to go before these coins can even come close to getting that kind of attention from hardcore fiat supporters, but they're definitely making an impact here. There's a strong chance that cryptocurrency and blockchain will replace banks. Anyways, what do you guys think about all this nonsense? Let us know in the comment section below. And also give the video a thumbs up and be sure to like and share and subscribe if you want to watch us often, you know. Anyways, see you in the next one. Peace out.